Okay, so welcome back. This is our second tutorial session, our second kata that we are going to be solving, which is for UFC fans. It has to do with Conor McGregor versus George Saint Pierre. So if you're a UFC fan, I'm sure these names might sound familiar to you. This is our instruction. This is a beginner-friendly kata, especially for UFC MMA fans. It's a fight between the two legends, Conor McGregor versus George Saint Pierre in Madison Square Garden. Only one fighter will remain standing, and after the fight, in an interview with Joe Rogan, the winner will make his legendary statement. It's your job to return the right statement depending on the winner. If the winner is George Saint Pierre, he will obviously say, "I am not impressed by your performance." And if the winner is Conor McGregor, he will most undoubtedly say, "I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody." Good luck. So this is it. The given name may vary in casing, so meaning that it's possible you will have it in this form capitalized or in some kind of weird casing like this, right? So your solution should treat both as the same thing. Okay, so we are going to train by clicking on this button here. I've done it again, that's why I'm showing the train again. Alright, so this is our function, this is how it's working. Okay, so currently it is returning, "I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody," which is this is what is supposed to return if the winner is Conor McGregor, right? So the fighter that's being passed as a parameter here is the winner. So meaning that if this fighter, right, is equal to Conor McGregor, right, then we should have this return statement. So let me copy this here, so I'll cut it from here and paste it here. So this is what we want. If the fighter is equal to Conor McGregor, we should return this. Else, if the fighter, right, is equal to what's his name, George Saint Pierre, right, then we'll return, "I am not impressed by your performance." Okay, with a full stop, very necessary to bring it. Else, we'll just return with nothing. We'll not return anything because they didn't tell us to handle that case, but it's necessary to include it, right? So now this is good. It means that if the fighter Conor McGregor is passed as a parameter, we will get this statement, and if it's passed this way, we'll get this statement. Good, but they were saying something that we should make it case insensitive. In this case, what we have, it is case sensitive. So what we could do is convert this variable, right, this fighter variable, we could convert it to lowercase so that we'll just compare everything to lowercase. So we'll make this in the lowercase form, and then this one too will be lowercase, so that we are only comparing lowercase to lowercase. So in that case, there's a method in Python known as the lower method, so we can just use that. So we'll have fighter.lower, and then we'll have fighter.lower. So what that will do is it will convert whatever is in fighter, it will convert every single character within it to lowercase. So for instance, if you take this weird casing, right, this George Saint Pierre, what will happen is it will convert every single character within it to lowercase, so that we'll have John Saint Pierre but everything in lowercase. Then we just have to make sure that we also have everything in lowercase on this end for our comparison. So here will be George Saint Pierre, and make sure you get the spelling right, else your code will give errors. And then we'll have Conor McGregor, right? So George Saint Pierre, Conor McGregor. So this should handle everything. So now we can test and see if it works, if it satisfies. Yes, so we pass all the 4 basic tests, and from there we can attempt to see if it passes all the other tests. And as you can see, all the other tests it passes. Amazing, fantastic. Hope you all understand. That's it. Thank you. And then you submit your solution. So if there are any questions, you can leave them in the comments below.